Good morning students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn about English subject. In previous video, what we have learned? Yes, we have learned about the lesson My Best Friend. Means I have explained the lesson My Best Friend. So today we are going to learn how to write hard words. Okay, students, you have to read the hard words and write in your notebook. Let's see how to write. First of all, I am going to read it. Friend, happy, cry, mirror, voice, inside, scream, dream. Again, friend, happy, cry, mirror, voice, inside, scream, dreams. Now you have to write these hard words in your notebook. How to write? You have to write the hard words from top to bottom. Okay. And these hard words you have to write on another page. Like this. Just like friend, so friend. Again you have to write friend. Again you have to write friend. Like this. Okay. So in this way you have to complete the hard work. Now let's see another exercise. Open page number 43. There is a comprehension part. So what is the exercise? Choose the correct option. Now you have to read the following and choose the correct option. There are 3 options have given. You have to choose the correct option. Number 1. When the girl is happy, her friend is. As we know, whenever a girl happy or cry, at that time her friend also is happy or cry. So, actually her friend lives in the mirror. Yes. So, what is the correct answer? Sad? No. Angry? No. Also happy? Yes. So you have to stick to it. Okay. Next. Means when the girl is happy, her friend is also happy. Second, when the girl cries, her friend laughs? No. Smiles? No. Also cries. So you have to stick to it. That's it. Okay. Means when the girl cries, her friend also cries. Now third, the girl is happy because she can. Why is the girl happy? Because there are 3 options have given. You have to choose the correct option. The girl is happy because she can wake up early? No. Visit her friend's house? No. How she can visit to her friends? Why? Because her friend lives in the mirror. That's why this option is not correct. Then C. Play with her friend in her dreams? Yes. The girl is happy because she can play with her friend in her dreams. So, C option is correct. So, you have to tick to it. Okay. Now, fourth. What do you do when you look at yourself in the mirror? Tick all the things you do. Whenever you look at the mirror, at that time what do? You talk? Yes, you can talk, you can smile, you can make faces like smiley faces, like angry faces. Yes, so now you have to stick to all the options because you can do all the things with the mirror. So you have to write this exercise in your notebook. Okay, let's see another exercise. Now exercise 3, match the questions with the correct answers. So in your textbook, there are questions and answers have given. You have to match the questions with the correct answer. So how to match? Let's see. Number 1. When does the girl's friend come out of the mirror? What happened then? When does the girl's friend come out of the mirror? On that time what happened? You have to find the answers from your textbook. What happened then? When does the girl's friend come out of the mirror? She comes out when the girl is sleeping. So here is answer. You have to write D. You have to draw arrow like this, then the answer. What is the answer? She comes out. She comes out when the girl is sleeping. Okay. Now second, what do they do together? What do they do together? Yes, they play, run, shout and scream. So what is the answer? C. They play, run, shout. They play, run, shout and scream. Okay. Now third, why does the girl not feel sad when her friend goes away? Why? Because option A. Because she knows that her friend will come again. Okay. Now fourth, who is the girl's friend? Option B. Who is the girl's friend? The girl's friend is the girl. The girl's friend is the girl in the mirror. Okay. In this way, we have matched the questions with the correct answers. So number 1, when does the girl's friend come out of the mirror? Answer is D. She comes out when the girl is sleeping. Second, what do they do together? Yes, option C. They play, run, shout and scream. Third, why does the girl not feel sad when her friend goes away? Option A. She knows that her friend will come again. Fourth, who is the girl's friend? Who is the girl's friend? Option B. The girl's friend is the girl in the mirror. Okay. In this way, you have to do this exercise in your notebook. Okay. Let's see another exercise. In page number 44, there is a vocabulary. So what is the exercise? Opposites. Do you know about opposites? What are the opposites? Let's see. When a word is completely different from from another word, then we say the two words are opposites from each other. For example, dry, wet, open, close. These words are opposites from each other. Dry means suka and wet means gila. Open, open. Close. Okay. So now there is exercise A, match the opposite words. Now you have to match the opposite words. So number 1, happy. Happy. In opposite, sad. Okay. So how to write? You have to write here A. Okay. Inside. Inside. Okay. Outside. So D. Lock. Lock means hasna. Opposite, crab. So B option. Morning. Whenever you come to the school, then you say to your ma'am, good morning ma'am. Yes. So morning. Morning means subah. And what is the opposite word? Evening. Yes. So C option. Now sleep. Sleep means sona. So sleep opposite wake. Wake means utna. So option A. So in this way you have to match the opposite words. Okay. You have to do this exercise in your textbook only. Don't write this exercise in notebook. Okay. Let's see another. Okay, I am going to read it once again. Happy opposite sad. Inside opposite outside. Lock opposite crowd. Morning opposite evening. Sleep opposite wake. Okay. In this way you have to read these words at least 2 times and book. You have to write this exercise in your textbook. Okay. You have to write this exercise in your textbook. Let's see another exercise. Now exercise B. Work in pairs. Write the opposites of these words. Number 1, cold. Cold opposite hot. Okay, so I am going to write here hot. Cold means thanda, hot means garam. Second, down. Down opposite up. Third, good. Good opposite bad. Fourth, slow. Slow opposite fast. So I am going to write here fast. White opposite black. Now I am going to read it. Cold opposite hot. Down opposite up. Good opposite bad. Slow opposite fast. White opposite black. Okay. In this way you have to write these opposite. In this way you have to write these opposite words in your textbook on page number 44. Okay. Let's see another exercise. Now exercise C. The spellings of the words in column A are jumbled. Unscramble and write the correct spellings. Then match the words and their opposites in column B. What do you have to do? There are 2 columns here. column A, column B. So these are the words, but they are in jumble order. They are not arranged in proper order. That's why they do not have any meaning. Just like MOEC. Has it sense? No. That's why we have to make it correct. So what is the correct word? Come. C-O-M-E. Come. Okay. Now come opposite. You have to find from column B. Come opposite. Go. So B. Okay. Now VEIG. Has it sense? No, because these letters are not arranged in the correct order. That's why you have to make it correct. So what is the correct spelling here? Give. G-I-V-E. Give. And give opposite? Take. E. Okay. Now SATL. So these are jumble letters. We have to arrange them in correct order. So what is the correct spelling? Yes. Last. So I am going to write here last. Now last opposite first. Last opposite first means A option is correct. Now GONL, we have to make it correct. So long, LONG, long. Long opposite short. Yes, means D option. Okay. Now NIW, it has no sense. Now we have to make it correct. Win, WIN, win means jeetna. Now a win opposite lose, lose means harna. So C option. Okay. In this way you have to do this exercise in your textbook on page number 45. Okay.